What if there was an AI that integrates with your spreadsheets and could write code for you, generate insights, and connect to live data sources all in real time? Well, allow me to introduce Quadratic, an AI-powered spreadsheet built for everyone, from marketers and finance teams to developers and data pros. Forget endless formulas, because with Quadratic, it's something that lets you analyze massive datasets, run Python, SQL, JavaScript, and use their built-in AI that transparently writes code for you to see and edit. You can directly connect to APIs, databases, and CSV files so that you can even chat with your data. And this also makes it ideal for real-time collaborative analysis. In this video, I'll walk you through hands-on demos showcasing the capability of Quadratic, showing you how powerful and simple it really is. And the best part is, there's a free option where you can easily get started for personal use, and it's browser based, so no downloads needed, and it's built with the modern tech that will let you work with any sort of spreadsheet with speed and responsiveness. Also, an FYI, Quadratic is source available, which means that you can view the full code base on GitHub. With Quadratic, you can get analysis on your data, generate different sorts of charts. You can even have it project different models with Python. You can get reports generated, have it generate dashboards where you can create comprehensive dashboards analyzing your data. And the best part is there's a multiplayer collaboration where you can have multiple people work on your data. Just take a look at it live in action, where it has been requested to create a table showcasing the inventories of items, and then it'll create the Python code that will help you showcase and visualize the charts. This way you get a great way for you to get faster insights with the help of AI after you have imported your data, and you can let the spreadsheet AI help you uncover patterns, run code, and you can see it was capable of generating insights quite quickly. Before we get started, I just want to mention that you should definitely go ahead and subscribe to the World of AI newsletter. I'm constantly posting different newsletters on a weekly basis, so this is where you can easily get up-to-date knowledge about what is happening in the AI space. So definitely go ahead and subscribe, as this is completely for free. So now that we have a decent understanding of what Quadratic is, let's take a look at it live in action. I want you to take a look at the link in the description below and head over to Quadratic. You can go ahead and create an account completely for free by signing up with a Google account or with an email address. Once you sign up or sign in, you're going to be then sent over to the main dashboard of Quadratic, and this is essentially where you can start working with your spreadsheets with AI. You can see how similar it is in terms of working with Excel spreadsheets, but in this case you have it so that it's infused with AI, which makes the whole process easier. Your first step is to upload your data. You can either do this by uploading a file locally, or you can create a connection with all of these different team connections, either with PostgreSQL or with Snowflake, or even with MySQL. So in this case, you can go ahead and create a connection and then import your data via these different connectors. So what I'm actually doing is having it create my sample data set of a grocery store product list. So in this case, it was able to generate this quite quickly for me, and we're going to now showcase the features of Quadratic on it. Now guys, Quadratic makes this whole process of data analysis so much easier. You can have it do something like a sales volume analysis, and you can execute the total sales volume as well as the revenue for each category, and then have it visualize it with a single prompt. This is where AI can take you to the next level in your spreadsheets, and in this case you'll be able to get a visualization of all your data quite quickly. And there we go, we have the sales volume and the revenue analysis by category, and it was capable of doing this really quickly. So this way you can get analysis on your data in a fast manner. You also have the ability to generate code, where you can use the code to manipulate the data, query APIs, and much more. You can build various sorts of charts, from bar graphs to pie charts. And what's also nice is that you can add context to multiple sheets, meaning that if you add multiple sheets within your file, you can then attach all of those different sheets as context. Now going back to generating code, what you can do is click on this code icon, which is a code editor, and this is essentially where you can work with different sorts of languages, from Python to various formulas, JavaScript. And in this case, if you want to work with Python, you can click on this, and then you can have it so that you can start writing the script within this code editor to generate the formulas. Now you also have a couple of helpful icons or functions, like reading from the sheet. You can also run various sorts of commands within the chat interface, like asking it, what can I do to create a graph to visualize my data. And essentially, this is a way for you to get the code generation that is necessary to help you set this up. So there we go. If we are to close this, you can see that it was able to generate this pie chart for me that will visualize the data that we had requested within the code editor of Python. Now on the left hand panel, you also have the ability to manage your kernel, where all the code languages are ready to run the code cells in the sheet or run all the codes within the file. You have the ability to also access the command palette, which lets you use all of these different commands within your spreadsheet. This is similar to how you would within Excel, where you have the ability to manage all these different functions. And obviously you can have an easier way to access that within the file, edit, view, insert, all the way to help. Now you can also change the theme, which is nice. So if you wanted to change it to like a black theme, you can also set that, a dark mode, as well as leaving it as the basic, which is blue and light. Now what you can also do is click on the Quadratic logo, and this will take you to the main dashboard of Quadratic. Now if you are to actually go over to create a file, you can explore example files. So essentially these are different templates that you can easily get started with, from public health data exploration, and essentially you get a good idea as to how you can use all these different AI functions within the spreadsheets. For example, this is a stock market analysis spreadsheet. So this is a company that we have put in, which is pounds here, and you can see the data that is written over here, the closing price, the volume, highs and lows, and the market cap. And you can see on the right hand side, you get a visualization of the stock as well as the volume. So for example, we can simply go ahead and type in Tesla. And if we are to go over to the kernel, we can then run the command, and you'll see the stock analysis for the last 60 days for this Tesla stock, the closing price, the volume, and you can get a good analysis on the Tesla news sentiment, as well as getting a good understanding of if this stock is a buy or not. Overall, these Quadratic templates will get you a better understanding as to how you can write code and get better insights and analysis of your data. Now within the members tab, you can actually invite other team members so that you can collaborate within your Quadratic spreadsheets with multiple people. And guys, what's also nice is that you have the ability to download all your spreadsheets that you generate within Quadratic. Now you may wonder, what differentiates Quadratic amongst all these other tools like Excel or Google Sheets? Well, the simple thing is, Quadratic is a full-blown data platform where it handles millions of rows, runs Python, SQL, JavaScript, as well as uses built-in AI to generate insights quite quickly. And you can see how easy it is for you to work with different sorts of data types with AI, because it makes the whole process super easy. Now, unlike BI tools, there is no steep learning curve. It is just going to allow you to work with live data, dashboards, and code in a familiar real-time workspace. So this whole process is super easy, especially when you're working with these templates, which gives you an upper hand. In conclusion, Quadratic isn't just a smarter spreadsheet, it's a new way to work with your data. Whether you're analyzing thousands of rows, writing Python, or just trying to get quick insights with AI, this is something that brings everything together in one single collaborative platform. And the best part is, it's free to try, secure, and source available. So why not try it out with the link in the description below. I'll leave all these links that I use in today's video there. Make sure you follow me on the Patreon, as well as subscribing to our second channel. Follow me on Twitter, and lastly, make sure you guys subscribe to the main channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos. But with that thought, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, got some sort of value out of it. And with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.